In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Variant Option Product Options Shopify app, and we're tailoring this tutorial for beginners. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance the options available for your products, this guide will walk you through the essential steps necessary to add variants to your Shopify products seamlessly. To begin, we'll start off by accessing your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll find a panel with various options. Look for and click on the Products tab. This is where you manage all your store's products, and it's the hub for making any necessary adjustments or additions. Once you're in the Products section, you'll have the choice to either select an existing product to add variants to, or create a brand new product altogether. If you're updating an existing product, go ahead and click on the product you have in mind. But if you're starting fresh, simply choose the option to create a new product. This is a fantastic opportunity to think about the variations your customers might be interested in, whether that's different sizes, colors, materials, or any other attributes that will make your product more appealing and versatile on the market. After you've selected your product or started a new one, the next step is to click on the Add Variant button. This is where the magic happens. By adding variants, you enable customers to see all the available options in one place, an essential feature for businesses offering customizable products. This increases user interaction, satisfaction, and ultimately sales, as customers appreciate the flexibility to choose according to their preferences. As you click Add Variant, you'll be prompted to start adding the variant details. This implies filling in specifics such as the option name, for example, size or color, and the values like small, medium, large, or red, blue, green. You might also want to consider incorporating images representing each variant, making it visually intuitive for shoppers. Remember, while you're adding these details, clarity is critical. Ensure that the variants are easy to understand and accurately reflect the options available. This minimizes customer confusion and enhances the shopping experience. Once you've finalized the details, make sure everything looks good to go. A consistent reminder to double-check your work for any inaccuracies. And there you have it, with all your variants perfectly added and organized. This will provide your customers with multiple choices, satisfying their unique preferences and encouraging them to make a purchase. Always preview your changes before finalizing to ensure everything appears as intended on the customer-facing side. And that's all there is to it. Adding variants to your Shopify products is a straightforward yet powerful way to boost your store's appeal and meet customer needs. Through this video tutorial, you now have the tools to implement variants successfully in your Shopify store. Best of luck with enhancing your online shop, and don't hesitate to explore further customization options as your business grows.